the Deputy Governor of Siaya County.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for allowing me and your indulgence. Yesterday, I had requested to table to substantiate as per Standing Order number 105, 105, 1 and 2. Mr. Speaker, there is a petition that was submitted to the office and was received on 7th May 2024, and it backs up my assertions that the Deputy Governor of Siaya, in his hand and seal, CPA Dr. William Mudwal, the substantive Deputy Governor, has stated that, Mr. Speaker, briefly, before I table, has stated that, 1, there has been exclusion from Siaya County Executive Committee meetings. 2, Mr. Speaker, and which I stated yesterday, withdrawal of utility car and county security, and then refusing to provide fuel for my official official car.
What is your point of honor? Because the senator is trying to table.
Is substantiating.
Substantiate the allegations.
The matter that the Honorable, my friend, Koskei is trying to substantiate is already before a committee of the Committee of Devolution. It is being investigated. And Mr. Speaker, is it in order for a senator to raise issues and even substantiate what is already being discussed by another committee of Parliament and use the same documents which are before that committee to pretend to be substantiating before those matters are thoroughly investigated?
Let me guide you, Senator Cherargei. The evidence that you have, the documents that you just table them, it is the prerogative of the Speaker to check the admissibility of those documents. So you don't need to explain anything, just table the...
Mr. Speaker,
the documents that you have.
What, I have not even spoken. What is out of order?
Order, Senator Kavidu.
Mr. Speaker, as I table this document to substantiate my assertions, yesterday, understanding,
table
I want to tell the House there is no senator called Kosgei. And number 2, why is Senator Oburu uneasy? And still is the PA to Governor Orengo. Why is he uneasy about the I table, Mr. Speaker?
Oburu, what is it again?
Mr. Speaker, sir, Honorable Koskei is imputing wrong motive on my request on a...
Are you referring to Senator Cherargei?
Mr. Speaker, is this in order? Is it in order for him to even refer to me as a personal assistant of a governor? And I'm the rightful senator of Siaya elected by an overwhelming majority with more votes than the governor himself.
Yes. So Senator Cherargei, you know when you are referring to your colleague, kindly use the best language possible. Because also not be happy to be told you are the PA to Governor Sang.
Mr. Speaker, you know I have tremendous respect for Senator Oburu. And I know he's the substantive senator of Siaya. My point has been made, but I profusely withdraw and apologize to him and ask him to stick to the mandate of oversight, not protecting Governor Orengo. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Let's members go to the statements, starting with the statement by 52-1. Is it Aminda? By Senator Aminda Kibwana. Then that statement is defunct. We go to statements under 53-1. Senator Samson Cherargei.
Mr. Speaker, thank you. Request for statement on reported confrontations between officers from the Kenya Defense Forces, KDF, and the National Police Service. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations regarding reported recent confrontations between the officers from Kenya Defense Forces, KDF, and the National Police Service. In the statement, Mr. Speaker, the committee should, 1, outline the circumstances that led to the public confrontations between officers from the KDF and the Kenya Police at the Likoni Ferry Terminal in Mombasa County, which was reported on 27 April 2024, and that happened yesterday evening here in Nairobi. Mr. Speaker, explain the circumstances and reasons behind the arrest and subsequent detention of KDF officers by the police at Lodwar Police Station in Turkana County, reported on 16 April 2024, following an altercation between soldiers from KDF and counterparts from National Police Service, which raised unnecessary public alarm and anxiety to the residents of Lodwar Town, Turkana County. So, Speaker, number 3, assess the level of risk these confrontations between KDF and National Police Service pose to public safety, especially when such incidences occur in the presence of armed officers of KDF and National Police Service, are recorded by the public, and state the investigative capacities of Kenya Police Service regarding such sensitive incidences. Mr. Speaker, and finally, state the disciplinary actions, if any, that have been taken against the officers found, or both KDF and National Police Service, found to have behaved unprofessionally, and state measures being taken to enhance the cooperation and collaboration in multi-agency operations, such as those at the port of Mombasa and across the Republic of Kenya. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
To end 2 statements, Senator Cherargei. There is another one to the Standing Committee on Roads and Transportation.
Mr. Speaker, request for statement on the status of road construction in Nandi County. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Roads and Transportation on the status of road construction in Nandi County. In the statement, the committee should, 1, provide a report on the expenditure of budgetary allocation for roads in Nandi County for financial year 2022-2023 and 2023-2024, and also explain reasons for the glaring reduction in the budget in 2023-2024 financial year to County of Nandi. Mr. Speaker, and this concerns the tarmac roads. Mr. Speaker, state the total number of roads in Nandi County that have been upgraded to bitumen standards or tarmac from 2019 to date, and the kilometers thus upgraded. Mr. Speaker, number 3, explain why the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, KURA, will commence tarmacking of roads in Nandi Hills, Maraba, Kaptumo, Lesos, Kabiyet, and Kaptel, Mr. Speaker, which had demonstrations the other day. Mr. Speaker, number 4, state when the constructions will begin on the following roads and disclose all the contractors assigned to construct the roads, including maintenance, before they start, indicating the amount allocated for each road and what is causing to delay, Mr. Speaker. 1, Kaiboi Chepterwai Kapkatembu Road to Kamagut, through, Mr. Speaker, I think they needed it through to Chepsaita all the way to Kwamagut. Mr. Speaker, and you know the President's aide, Faruk Ibet, comes from this place. Mr. Speaker, we have Chemuswa Chomisia Danger Road, which the residents have been demonstrating for the last 2 weeks, Mr. Speaker. Number 3, Timborwa Maraba Kobere Road. Mr. Speaker, number D, Mugundoi Nandi Hills Road. Mr. Speaker, Nandi Hills Imaki Road. Mr. Speaker, Lesos Keses Cheptire through the Moi University, and I know you know Moi University very well. And Mr. Speaker, the reclassification from Cheptire Center to Loan more university classification. Mr. Speaker, I thank you.